discussion about today we will start at 9 English medium chapter number 5 exercise. Before start exercise, some important points are discussed. In last lecture we have to discuss in chapter number 5 Euclid's say that the dimension between solid, surface, points and lines. After understanding, in page number 80 you have to write down 1 to 7 points. In similar way, Euclid's 7 axioms are given in page number 80. So I hope you can return in notebooks. In page number 80, 1 to 7 points. In page number 81, 1 to 7 points, Euclid's axiom. Now start 5 postulates of Euclid's, and then start exercise. So come by come. You start with Euclid's 5 postulates. Number 1. Straight line may be drawn from any point to any other point. So simple statement can be given by Euclid's, very easy to understand. A straight line can drawn by one point to any other points. So here 1 point at point A, here B point at here. So straight line can be drawn by 1 point to any other point. Connect with this point, straight line. So second statement, second postulate of Euclid's is in this sense, it means using axiom 5.1. One statement can be covered with first postulate. Axiom 5.1, it means given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. It means first, given two distinct points there, given two distinct point, there is a unique line part. Unique line part passes through point. Passes through them. So understand it. Example, at point A here, point B can be here. So in between 2 points only one unique line, but this point can be passes infinitely line. Remember that one point can be passes infinite many lines. So at point B you can draw all type of lines. Infinite line can be passes through only one point. But in between 1 point only one unique line, and particular point, so infinitely many line passes through point B and point A. But AB only one straight line connected. In similar way here point B. So in point B, so many line can be passes in the point A and point B. Now, second postulate can be solved. Euclid's second postulate. Postulate 2. So Euclid says that terminate line can be produced infinity. So the terminate, it means end of line with 2 points, and this 2 point can be extended at terminating. So statement is terminating. So the terminated line can be produced at infinity. Indefinitely means what? So continuously sequence. Suppose line can be terminated at point A and point B. So the terminated line can be produced indefinitely, means cannot be defined. A can be extended at infinity. In similar way, point B can be extended up to infinity. So terminated line, that means endpoint of two line, can be terminated infinitely. Third postulate. Postulate 3. A circle can drawn with any center and any radius. Circle, any center and any radius. So here taken center A and approximately radius, you can draw circles with approximately radius at any point. Here at plane any point you can take up, and then radius can be drawn by approximately measurement. So postulate number 3, circle can be drawn by any center and any radius. Postulate 4th postulate, you can say that all right angles are equal to another. It means one right angle 90 degree, this 90 degree. So one right angle is similar to other 90 angle because both have same degree. So here same angle. So postulate 4 is all right angle here equal to another right angle. Now last postulate, if the straight line filling into straight line make the interior angle at the same lines. So postulate 4, fifth can be different, slightly different for others. So straight line falling in on the two straight line make interior angles. So here two straight line can be falling. So two straight line and fall this third line, so created interior angles. Interior angles, side taken two less for two right angle then two straight line. It means here can be angle postulate 5th. So some problems are proved that postulate number 5. When two lines, two straight line are and fall down third straight line, so interior angle can be created less than or to right angle. Means to right angle or less than right angle. Not can be said that Euclid's piece cannot be defined which type of angle can be created here, 90 degree or less than 90 degree. Then the two straight line produce infinitely meets then sum of angle is less than or than 290 means less than 90 means not can be sure by the this angle. So in short, in 5th postulate you need say that two lines, third line is falling, so created two interior angle, and what is about interior angle? The sum of two interior angle is 90 or less than 90. Cannot be simplified or cannot be statement about these two angles in postulate number 5. So 5th postulate are important for us. Remember that use this 5th postulate 1 to 5 in exercise 5.1.